How to make a video with music on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, tap on the plus icon at the top. Then, select Reel. From here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll to create a reel. Select the video that you want. You can add music to this video by tapping on the music icon present on the right. Choose a music from here or explore more by searching for the music you want. Then, go to Controls to manage the camera audio and music volumes. Once you're done, tap on Next below. Then, tap on Share Now at the bottom to share this reel on Facebook. You have now successfully shared the reel. Following these steps, you can easily make a video with music on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.